Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different dishes in Canva. So you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, and you can also sell this skill on social media pages, and you can go to google.com and search websites related to your niche and ask them about your services, and they will surely hire you. Or you can target the offline market, or you can go to you can make a logo for your own business or Facebook page, theme page, etc. So opportunities are limitless. So but it is a very premium skill and it is very easy to learn. I will teach you how you can create a logo in Canva. So let's get started. So let's in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a wedding company logo in Canva. So the company name is Adam Weddings, and let's make a logo for it. I click on Canva and I'm on canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is a graphic designing software available online, and it is very easy and handy to use. You can almost edit every social media template in it, and you can edit videos, make whiteboard animation videos, etc. So uh, if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on Canva designing, and after watching the playlist you should know almost everything about Canva. So I click on create a design. Here I search for the logo. 500 by 500 pixel is most widely used size template of Canva. So it is loading. So here I am going to elements, and here I search for, so I search here like wedding. So after that we have to choose the best element. Yeah, it's look great, it's look good. I like this very much. And after that I click on text. Here I select the text and I write it Adam wedding planner. After that we have to change the font, and but I think we have to change color into white, like this. And this into black. Yeah, it's look more. So here I place it. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and learn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.